Imagine this, you're 35, staring at a mirror in some dead-end apartment. Bills stacked like accusations, and the only thing you've built is a gut from late-night scrolls. No legacy, no woman looking at you like a king, just echoes of what if that hit harder than any punch. Sound familiar? That's not a maybe, that's your future if laziness wins. But Jack Ma, he was rejected 10 times, called stupid, and still built an empire. Today, we're killing that demon in you. Stick around, or wake up to the same regret tomorrow. Listen, brother, laziness isn't just hitting snooze. It's a thief. It steals your mornings, your dreams, your shot at millions. You feel it, right? That heavy fog when you wake up tired, not from work, but from nothing pulling you forward. Jack Ma said it straight, if you don't give up, you still have a chance. Giving up is the greatest failure. He wasn't born a billionaire. He was a broke English teacher in China, failing exams, getting doors slammed. But he chose fire over comfort. What's your excuse? Picture Jack at 35, your age, soon applying for 30 jobs, 0 offers, laughter in his face. He could have quit, scrolled Netflix, numbed out like you do after a bad day. Instead, he built Alibaba from a tiny apartment. No money, just grit. Now he's worth billions. Why him? Not luck, discipline, the kind that says no to the phone's dopamine trap. You're 5 years deep in distractions, chasing likes while real men chase purpose. Brutal truth, your laziness isn't rest, it's surrender. And surrender means dying broke, forgotten, with stories no one wants to hear. But here's the gut punch question. What if laziness is just fear in disguise? Fear of failing like Jack did over and over. He bombed KFC interviews twice, laughed off by Harvard. Yet he whispered to himself, one more try. That's the mindset we're forging in you today. Start small, savage. Wake at 5 a.m. No alarm excuses. Cold shower. Hit the gym or your desk like it's war. Jack didn't build empires lounging, he coded nights away. Doors kicked in by doubters. You think your 9 to 5 grind is hard? Try rejection as breakfast. Feel that stir? Good. You're not broken, you're buried under bullshit habits. You scroll past millionaires daily, then whine it's not fair. Lies, man. You've lied to yourself for years. Tomorrow I'll change. Tomorrow's a myth. Jack Ma didn't wait, he acted. Sold his first product door to door, heart pounding. Built connections when doors closed. That's masculinity. Facing the storm, not hiding, while you binge reels. Some kid your age is coding his first app, stacking wins. Why not you? Because laziness whispers, you're tired. Bull, you're scared. Own it. Imagine 10 years from now. Option 1, you're the guy at the bar, bitter, scrolling envy. Option 2, you're leading teams, cash flowing, legacy echoing. Jack chose 2. He said, today is hard, tomorrow is harder. But the day after tomorrow is beautiful. Grind now. Bloom later. Cut the porn, the games, the endless feeds, their chains. Replace with reads on business, cold calls to mentors, one push-up more than yesterday. Feel the burn? That's growth. That's you rising. You're watching this because deep down, you know you're meant for more. That voice saying quit is the enemy. Jack ignored it, built from nothing. You can't too. If this hits like a slap because it should hit subscribe. This channel's your drill sergeant in a world that wants you soft, scrolling into oblivion. We're allies. Lock in. Now, let's weaponize this. Discipline isn't motivation, it's muscle. Train it daily. Jack failed 18 months straight on Alibaba's first pitch. Investors fled. He doubled down. You, one bad week and you're out. Flip it. Track your days. Wins in green, laziness in red. Burn the red pages. Surround yourself with winners' podcasts, books, men who lift you. Ma read voraciously, learn English from tapes. You, phone's your teacher. Feeding weakness, ditch it for an hour. Feel the void, fill it with purpose. I was you, 22, broke, addicted to escape. Woke up worthless, chased highs that crashed harder. Then I found Jack's fire, started small, no 0 days. One task, no matter how tiny, snowball to freedom. You think I'm behind? No, you're early if you start now. No one's saving you. Parents, friends, they're fighting their wars. This is yours. Grab the sword. Laziness dies when purpose ignites. What's yours? Money for family? Legacy for sons? The woman who sees your empire? Jat was changing China through trade. Yours, claim it. Wait tomorrow, declare war. Today, I build. Feel that power? That's Jack in you. Unstoppable. You made it here, proof you're not lazy. You're awakening. Subscribe now. Not for likes, for rebirth. Come back daily. This isn't fluff, it's your forge. Hit the bell. Tomorrow, we crush distractions. You're not behind. You're the storm. Go kill it.